This is a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo convertible. I don't normally do a lot of exotic cars videoing, but this one is so striking because of its color and condition. I thought I'd give a brief little view of it. It was on display at a car show in Kissimmee at Solivita, which is a development down here. It's a 10-cylinder 5-liter engine. As you see, a charcoal interior, paddle shifters, and it's hard to believe that this car is coming up on 11 years of age. But it looks so futuristic. And by the way, these doors are regular doors. They're not Lambo doors. They had me fooled. The owner did open the door while I was around, and it was obvious it was a regular door. All-wheel drive, and of course it's rear engine or mid-engine. I guess mid-engine is correct. That's a beautiful car. I was looking at the used value of these cars, around $100,000 as a used vehicle, somewhere in that vicinity. And of course the Lambo Bull right there.